Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me today. As our world becomes increasingly digital, the role of a security risk analyst is more important than ever. These professionals are on the front lines, protecting organizations from cyber threats and ensuring the safety of sensitive information. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking to transition into cybersecurity or a recent graduate seeking a dynamic career, this presentation will provide you with a clear roadmap to success. So, let's jump right in and explore what it takes to become a security risk analyst in 2024 in this masterclass. So, what exactly does a security analyst do? That's the question. Their main job is to identify potential threats and weaknesses in an organization's systems and networks. For example, imagine a large retail company that handles thousands of transactions daily. A security risk analyst would assess the risk of cyber attacks on their payment systems, analyze any vulnerabilities, and recommend security measures to prevent breaches. By doing this, they help protect not only the company data, but also its reputation and customer trust. This role is quite critical in today's digital age, where cyber threats are constantly evolving and experts need to keep up. Now, let's talk about the skills you need to succeed in this role. On the technical side, you will need to master risk management techniques, understand incident response protocols, and stay up to date with threat intelligence. For example, knowing how to program in languages like Python can help you automate security tasks and analyze data more efficiently. However, that is not a blocker. If you don't know how to code, this is still very good for you. Additionally, familiarity with various operating system and network security principles is very crucial. But it's not all about technical skills. Soft skills play a huge role in your effectiveness as a security risk analyst. You need to be a good problem solver and critical thinker. Imagine you discover a vulnerability in your company system. Being able to quickly analyze the situation and communicate the risk to your team and management is essential. Adaptability is also key, as the cybersecurity landscape is always changing. A good mix of these skills will set you up for success in this dynamic field. Let's dive into the educational pathways. A degree in computer science, cybersecurity, or information technology, or in any other profession will give you a robust foundation for a career in security risk analysis. These programs typically cover essential topics such as network security, programming, and systems architecture. Beyond a degree, certifications are crucial. For instance, the CompTIA Security Plus certification is a great entry-level credential that covers basic security concepts and practices. For more advanced validation, the CISSP is highly respected in the industry. These certifications not only boost your resume, but also keep you updated with the latest in cybersecurity practices. And remember, the learning doesn't stop once you land a job. Cyber threats evolve, so continuous education through courses, workshops, and reading is essential to stay ahead in this field. Experience is key to becoming a successful security risk analyst. Practical knowledge is just as important as your education. Many start their careers in entry-level IT roles such as help desk support or network administration. These positions provide valuable insight into how IT systems operate and how security measures are implemented. Internships are another excellent way to gain experience. They offer real-world exposure to cybersecurity tasks and allow you to learn from experienced professionals. Volunteer work, such as helping out with the IT needs of a local nonprofit, can also be a great way to build your resume. See, don't underestimate the value of hands-on projects. For example, setting up a home lab to practice network configuration and security protocols can be a powerful learning tool. Participating in cybersecurity competitions or capture the flag challenges can also sharpen your skills and make you stand out to potential employers. Certifications are a great way to validate your skills and show employers that you're serious about your career in cybersecurity. The CompTIA Security Plus certification is an excellent starting point. It covers essential topics such as network security, compliance, and operational security, making it perfect for those new to the field. For those looking to advance their careers, the CISSP is highly regarded. This certification is ideal for professionals with some experience under their belt and covers a wide range of cybersecurity topics. Similarly, the Certified Information Security Manager, popularly known as CISM, focuses on managing and governing an organization's information security program. Other certifications like Certified Ethical Hacking can also be beneficial depending on your career goals. These credentials not only improve your resume, but also provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to tackle real-world security challenges. Now, let's talk about the importance of networking and professional development. In the cybersecurity field, who you know can be just as important as what you know. Attending industry conferences such as RSA Conference or Black Hat can be incredibly valuable. These events offer opportunities to learn about the latest trends and technologies while meeting industry leaders and potential employers. Joining professional organizations like ISACA can also help you build connections. These organizations often host local chapter meetings, webinars, and networking events. They provide a platform to share knowledge and discuss challenges with fellow cybersecurity professionals. Connecting with mentors is another crucial step. A mentor can provide guidance, share their experiences, and help you navigate your career path. For example, LinkedIn is a great tool to find and connect with experienced professionals in your field. Networking can lead to job opportunities, collaborations, and continuous learning. It's an ongoing process that plays a significant role in your professional growth. Continuous learning is crucial in the fast-paced world of cybersecurity. New threats and technologies emerge regularly, so staying informed is essential. Several online platforms offer various courses on cybersecurity topics, allowing you to learn at your own pace. These courses can cover everything from basic security principles to advanced threat analysis techniques. Webinars and conferences are also valuable resources. They provide insight from industry experts and often include hands-on workshops and real-world case studies. For example, SANS Institute and InfoSec Institute frequently host webinars on current cybersecurity trends and practices. Another way to stay informed is to read industry publications such as blogs, journals, and news sites. Websites like Dark Reading, Threat Post, and Cyberscope offer daily updates on cybersecurity news and trends. Committing to continuous learning ensures that your skills and knowledge remain relevant, making you a more effective and sought-after professional in the field of cybersecurity. Landing your first job now as a security risk analyst requires strategic preparation. First, focus on crafting a compelling resume. Highlight your education, certifications, and any relevant experience. You have to be sure to include specific examples of your skills in action, such as projects that you've worked on or problems that you've solved. Next, prepare for interviews by practicing common questions. Employers often ask about your understanding of risk management, incident response, and your ability to analyze threats. For example, you might be asked to walk through how you would handle a specific security incident. Practicing these scenarios will help you respond confidently. It is not what you respond with, it is how you respond that matters. Utilize job search platforms effectively. Okay, LinkedIn, as most people know, is a powerful tool not only for job listing but also for networking. Join relevant groups, follow companies you are interested in, and engage with content that are related to cybersecurity. Platforms like Indeed and Glassdoor also have extensive listings and company reviews that can give you insight into potential employers. Tailoring your applications to each job description can make a significant difference. Highlight the skills and experience that align with your specific role that you're applying for. This shows employers that you've done your homework and you're genuinely interested in their position. Thank you so much, guys, for sticking with me through this presentation. To recap, we've covered the essential steps to becoming a security risk analyst, understanding the role, acquiring the necessary skills, pursuing the right education and certification, gaining relevant experience, and the importance of networking and continuous learning. Remember, this journey is about building a solid foundation and continuously improving your skills and knowledge. Take action by starting with small achievable steps, whether it's signing up for an online course, attending a local cybersecurity event, or connecting with a mentor. Now, I would love to hear from you. Do you have any question about the steps that we've discussed, or is there anything specific that you'd like me to know about? Feel free to leave your questions in the comment section. Thank you once again for your time and attention, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.